Let's see. Low beams. No beams. There's high beams. Low beams. High beams. There you go. What's up, guys? I got a mess going today, but I wanted to give you an update on the Pook. So the light switch does that thing where, you know, sometimes you kind of got to jiggle the switch to make it work. So I tore it apart because I'm going to try to update the electrical system. Not the electrical system. I'm going to try to update the headlight to a more modern bulb, but I got to get this working perfect first. So I got this all torn apart. This is the switch, you know, headlight switch / horn switch. And I'm going to get it cleaned up and ready to go. There's all these little brass parts and these contacts in there. You know, just all, let me get some light in there. There you go. See, all old and beat up. So I'll get those cleaned up, and then I will be back to show you what I'm doing. Alright, guys, so I cleaned everything up with a little bit of sandpaper and a 22 cleaning brush, toothbrush, and it came out pretty good. Zoom focus on there, huh? There you go. So I'm going to get it all back together with some dielectric grease, and we'll see if it works better. Worst case scenario is it doesn't. Alright, y'all, that was a sumbitch. But, so that spring there, it kind of swings back and forth when you flip the switch here. And there's this little pin that comes down from the switch here into this brass situation. And that was a bugger. The best way I did it was just use dielectric grease as kind of like a glue to kind of hold everything in place, kind of, and just shove it together, and never do that again. That's what you do there. But I'll put it back on and we'll see if it works better.